Okay, this time I'm the chef and we are making flutes with tortillas. And flutes is einfach is just a taquito, just like this, and with the filling inside. And well, I'm gonna try to do this thing. And first we are cooking the filling, and with oil. And wait, we wait a little bit. Bis till yeah, bisschen warm, and then we start with the onion. Oh, onion. Onion. I can test it here. And we have this below guy as Zuschauer or spectator or publico, und de chilito da, de chilito, und Gertrudis is our plant that we call Gertrudis. Well, we adopted that plant, aber yeah, ist da. Yeah, it's schon ready. We can start with the onion, okay? And yeah, es wird ist da in the camera. Und yeah, usually Betty is the chef, but this time I'm trying to improve my skills. And well, let's see what we can make. Well, so far so good. Okay. Well, we are just starting now. Yeah, much better. Well, in instance, or at least the sound is super good. That's just super good. We're gonna cook this onion till it looks a little bit brown, until brown, okay? I can dance while we are waiting. This filling is some sort of, we call it in Mexico, picadillo. The picadillo has more ingredients, but we are just making an easy filling to this taquito float. And yeah, sollte, well, should work. Okay, well, it looks already a little bit brown. A little bit more, would look more like this, and this is a little bit burnt, and so we don't want to risk. So we continue with the meats. Can you hear this sound? It's very... That is the sound of deliciousness. Well, not yet, Sama. It's better. Later. So we keep stirring it because we want to this salt, this line stripes, that doesn't look so strong. We stir it enough, will go away, and yeah, and we mix it alles perfectly. We're gonna increase the heat a little bit, so mehr Flavor, Geschmack und Sounds und mix. Yes, plenty than favor words, favorite word. Mix. Hey, you, hey, so lecker, oh, delicious, yeah, they will die, right, sorry about rain.
What is the name?
Listener?
Yeah.
We still don't have a name for this guy. Octopus, blue octopus. It looks good. They're hitting. So time for the spices. Okay. Just a little bit more, okay? Okay. We're going to start with a little bit of paprika. Just to taste. So that should be enough. And oregano. It's a little bit. On cumin. Yeah, also a little bit. And mix a little bit. Okay, next a little bit of salt. Okay, that should be enough. And mix it a little bit more. And we are almost ready. Almost ready. We could add more things here, just like the chili or the carrots or a potato, but we just want something simple, something for the filling of the taquito, and that should be enough. Perfectly mixed. can you see this color is ready? Eh? Eh? Yeah, this is so delicious. Eh?
Smells good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so good, no? Yeah, so humble.
Yeah. So humble.
Yeah, no, if I'm bits, or I joke. Okay?
Joke.
Hey, joke. Hey, joke. Yeah. And, well, that should be good. We're gonna turn the heating off. Okay. So this is ready to prepare our taquito, okay? Our flutes. This comes in the next episode.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Speta.